Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very powerful and effective hair growth treatment that you can use on your hair if you want to grow your hair faster and extremely thick. So today I will be making use of onion peels and cloves as the title suggests. Onion peels are very powerful and effective to thicken hair, to stop baldness, hair thinning, and all the hair problems you have. If you don't have onion peels, you can also use onions. So these are just enough. I'm not going to be needing a lot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that I wash my onion peels because they are dirty, to remove impurities. Just make sure to wash them. Onion peels are a great source of sulfur and antioxidants that helps to cleanse the scalp, helping to increase hair thickness as well as providing many benefits for your hair and scalp. So we'll also be needing cloves. Here I have some cloves that I will be using. So I'll just transfer like 2 tablespoons in the bowl to use. Cloves are amazing and powerful. If you haven't yet used cloves, I don't know what you are waiting for. These herbs are very powerful and effective. Cloves helps to stimulate blood circulation to your scalp. If you have scalp issues like dandruff, you have baldness, your hair is thinning and you want to increase hair thickness faster, then you should consider adding cloves to your hair care routine and your hair will grow faster than before. I have been using cloves and I know how it works. It works like magic. So now I'm going to be transferring my ingredients to the mason jar. Just use anything that you have to transfer your ingredients. So I'm just going to use a few cloves. Clove is very potent and effective, and also you need to use it in small quantities because if you use a lot, it may end up drying your hair and your hair can break. So you need to use a smaller amount. In case you use a lot, you can add a lot of water in order to dilute it. So now I'm gonna transfer some water to the ingredients. I'm using hot water. Just make sure to use hot, warm, or cold water. If you decide to use cold water, unless you're going to keep it or infuse it for long, maybe 24 hours. So I'm gonna cover the ingredients and I will leave them for infusion process to take place for about 8 hours. So after 8 hours, this is now how it's looking like. Now the color is really dark, very dark, which means that the infusion process took place well. So right now I'm gonna be mixing it a little bit so that it can mix with the water, and now I'm gonna be straining out. So I hope you guys are still watching this video up to this point, and if you are new to this channel and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing and also turn on the bell notification so you will be notified each time when I apply a new video, and also give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends. So after straining out our hair growth treatment, this is how it's looking like. You can see how dark it's looking, which we wanted. Right now I'm gonna be transferring to an applicator bottle so I can be able to apply faster on my hair. I'm going to be applying this treatment on my scalp and hair. My hair is really dry, so I'm gonna be focusing on my scalp first before I move to the hair strands. My hair will be in twists. Today I'm not going to take them. This is the third week, so I decided to be keeping my hair in twist for at least 3 weeks before I remove the twist, or before I unravel them and wash my hair. So that's why I won't be taking them down. I'm going to apply this on my twist. So I'm working from the scalp to the roots and to the hair strands towards the ends of my hair, and I carefully use my fingers to massage and also to distribute the treatment towards the hair strands and towards the ends of my hair, making sure that each single section or each single twist is well hydrated. Once I do that, I use my fingers to squeeze it so that it can penetrate deeply to each hair strand. So I'm going to use to follow this to one side of my hair, and then once I'm done with the one side, I move to the other side of my head and apply it from the scalp to the roots and to the tips of my hair. While I apply, I make sure to use my fingers and my hands to supply the treatment and to squeeze it. And once I'm done with applying the treatment to my entire hair, this time I'm going to apply my moisturizer, which is a leave-in conditioner. After I apply a leave-in conditioner, I will follow up by applying hair butter in order to seal and lock in that moisture. This step is very important. You don't need to skip this method. Always follow up with applying your best moisturizer and then sealing in that moisture with your hair butter or oil of your choice. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up and share it to your family and friends. I will see you in the next video. Bye.